Hi, I'm Cody Nelson, and I'm a graduate from Upper Iowa's Industrial Tech Education Program, and this is where our student taught.
I'm Jesse Dinsdale, instructor at the Regional Tech Complex here in Oelwein. This is a partnership between Oelwein Community Schools, Northeast Iowa Community College, and area businesses that have endowments to help us offset the costs of a lot of the equipment that we have here in the building.
So the first year and a half I was at Upper Iowa, I did a lot of traveling to Nicc for my tech class. It really worked out well with Upper Iowa's schedule and Nicc being pretty close.
That partnership with Northeast Iowa Community College and Upper Iowa has been great as far as getting the students down here to let them see more in depth the practical application of what they're learning in some of the classes, seeing the full implementation of everything that they get to do in the theory classes. They get to come here and put it into practice.
When you go to the classes at Upper Iowa in the education building, they kind of teach you how to put that into your classroom setting, because there's a big difference between your auto shops, your job sites versus what you can do in your classroom. And they did a really good job at helping you, mold that to that setting where it can be great for your students to learn, but also safe and give them a real world feel.
Day one, I had no problem handing the reins to Cody. On the first day of school, he got to teach his first lesson. Probably more prepared than I do on the first day of school. So.
Through Upper Iowa, they're really great about getting you out in the field, in placements like this. The more time you can spend out in a classroom, the better, you just can't simulate those things. And because we spent so much time here or my other placements, when I went out and, interviewed for the job and looked around and interacted with, different schools where I wasn't comfortable and people I didn't know, I felt really comfortable because I had so many different experiences to set me up for that.
I'm a little jealous of his first teaching placement, getting all the setup that he's able to get. That's amazing that, coming out first year out of college, and he's going to have a state-of-the-art shop. Not quite as cool as mine.
Yeah. Got something to build up to here. I got something good to shoot for, so.